Tired of struggling with voiceovers, high costs, long production times, or constantly hopping between tools for different needs? It's time for a change. Welcome to VoiSpark, your all-in-one AI voice creation platform, integrating leading AI voice models like 11 Labs, Catesia, OpenAI, Sesame, and more. Instant text-to-speech, rapid voice cloning. You can switch between different models to suit various scenarios. Let's give it a try. Let's listen to see how Trump's voice sounds.
Despite facing numerous challenges throughout the development process, the team successfully launched the product ahead of schedule.
You can access a diverse range of celebrity voices, plus languages and local accents from various countries. It allows you to quickly clone your voice with just a few sentences, supporting different models and effects. Let me show you how I quickly cloned my own voice. I uploaded a recording of myself, and just click here. Wow, that's incredible! If you want to use a celebrity's voice to make your work more interesting, let me show you how to create a Morgan Freeman voice. Just upload any of his movie lines here. Then click here.
Wow, that's incredible.
Ready to transform your audio? Visit voicepark.com today and unlock the future of voice creation.